2020 Kia Stinger. Gonna be doing a one-step paint correction on this one, and then coating it in our 5-year coating from G-Technic. Just pulled in, looks pretty good already. Wash, decon, cleats done. About to start polishing. Before polish, not a whole lot in the paint at all. Probably not even much that'll pick up on camera because of the flake and the color. But there is some light swirls, some very light scratches that are in it. Down here by the bottom rockers too. Just a few hairlines, but that's why we're doing a one-step correction before coating. That's all it's going to take to get this out. Looks good. Subaru Legacy in for a full enhancement detail, interior and exterior. Going through the exterior wash right now. Doing wash, paint decontamination, clay bar, putting a 12-month sealant on top of the paint, and then going inside and doing a vacuum wipe down and then shampoo of all the carpets, fabrics, and the seats on the interior, as well as all the door plastics and everything. Gonna get it looking good again. You can tell the seats are a little bit stained up, just having stuff spilled on them and whatnot. A little bit of just dirt, debris in the carpets and the plastics. These seats will clean up really nice though. Alright guys, it's pretty windy so the audio might be trash, but doing this Jeep today, mobile job. Got the mobile unit right there. Drying out a little towel because it was damp. But yeah, black Jeep followed by a black Lincoln Navigator. Just doing some maintenance details on them. There's some regulars and couldn't make it out to the shop today, so brought a little setup with us and getting it done. Pretty dirty. Alright guys, this is the Jeep that I'm doing mobile right now. Just got interior basically done, just need a revac. Just got the exterior all done. Got it washed, dried. Gonna apply a sealant real quick and touch up wheels and do windows, but I wanted to point something out. So whenever I got here, I mean obviously it was really dirty and dusty, and somebody had wrote just kind of something in the door, somebody's name or something like that. But I wanted to show you guys what actually that will do to your paint if you rub a dirty finger against it or draw into your paint. So let's see if I can get it in the camera here. I'm gonna make the light follow. So this is either a R or a B. You can see the swirls it already has, but these are deeper scratches. So if you see my light, I'm following the letter right now. You can see they're long right there. If I can get it to focus in. There are these long, deeper scratches that you can point out from the swirls. You see that? That's the top of the B right there, or the R, whatever it is. See, it goes around here. Yeah, you can see it. And then here as well, there was an L right here. And another B. You can see this B pretty good. Yeah, there you go. You see that? Those are all a lot deeper. That's in the paint. Yeah. So don't draw on your car, I guess. I wanted to say a little bit more about this. The letters that I just showed you that were scratched into here. So a lot of people don't know how soft clear coat actually is. Some vehicles, some manufacturers, the clear coat's harder. Some of them it's softer. Usually, I'm gonna say usually. Any U.S. made vehicles, U.S. and Canada, they seem to be more of a softer clear coat. And a lot of the German vehicles seem to have harder. Now that doesn't go for every one of them. That's just, a statistic that I'm letting you know. But Dodge, Ford, Chevy, all of those, which a Jeep made by Dodge, is going to have somewhat softer clear coat most of the time. which is why all it took was a little bit of dust on this thing and somebody to, draw something funny or draw something into the clear coat, and with the dust, and it really took a toll on the clear coat there. The only way to get those scratches out would be, a two-step removal. They're not light enough to get done with one stage, and then there's all kind of other scratches around them. But yeah, when people go and draw clean meat and stuff on the car, you're actually damaging the clear coat. It's definitely not good for it. All right, Jeep's done. The dirty Jeep that we put on this morning is looking like glass again. Cleaned in, cleaned out. Full detail interior and exterior. Got everything looking nice. Carpets on Jeeps, always the worst. Honestly, your vacuum's going to take most of your time on every single Jeep. The carpets like to just trap anything that's in there. She's looking good now. Almost forgot to show you guys this one. About to do the bugs on it now. I actually just did the wheels. 2020 Navigator. I got a little bit of filth on it. I mean, it's pretty heavy, but it's all light stuff. This one is coated, not by us, but by a different party. So it is beading. The bottom half is kinda, but it is dirty. So we'll see once I wash it. I already did the interior on it. It's not bad. He's a regular. I'll show it to you real quick. It really wasn't bad. I mean, the carpets in here are super easy to vacuum. The most annoying thing is just all the dust. You can already see them. I have to kind of dust it down again. That's all dust that's kind of in there, just sitting on all that painted black plastic. But that's really the only thing. This is my last one for the day as far as mobile goes, and then I'll be out of here after that. All right, ended off the day with this Navigator. Got it all done. Coating's acting pretty good on it. Like I said, I don't know who coated it. I just know that it has a coating sticker inside. Bottom half, it's a little wonky, but I did put a refresh spray on it, so shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, actually one little watermark right there to touch up that leaked out, and then I'm gonna be on my way. Inside of this thing is really nice. I love these, and yeah, it looks good. Looks real good. That is a wrap for the day. That's great. Ah, okay. Got it. Is it? Okay, it's here. Okay. This is from, yeah. It's from Detail King. Well, all right, cool. Last 3 months.
Listen to the mean girl.
Looking sprayed sun, like a sealant.
Yeah, that's not what we do, but it's the same concept, bro. You just cook it every 5 gallons and you pour it in and you set it to go.
See, this one is interior cleaning. It's not like a soapy. It's like a concentrated chemical. Blue.
Yep. Getting them vinegar strokes.
We do.
You want
wants to redo that one in his truck.
You hear it. Prep, decon, and clay. Just finished that this afternoon. It's a little bit after 5. We're gonna put it in, work on it a little bit, and then come get back started on it again in the morning. Guys are gonna be busting out the full paint correction on it, doing a full 2-3 step correction, and get it finished out, and then apply coating. Be doing a G-Technic 2-layer 5-year coating on all the exterior of this one, coating the wheels, wheel faces, windows, and I think maybe interior. We'll see. I have to check. But yeah, she's going under the knife. Oh my Lanta.
Yep, rotary job.
That's insane.
I love rotary.
Look at this.
Is it black or what?
Look
Fun times.
at this. You're one of the. I don't know if I've ever seen like a. Pulling this one out into the sun. This is the really bad Denali we've been working on. Trying to get the paint correction down. Trying to make the client happy with, what he's paying and see and weigh out our options. So trying to pull it out into the sun so we can get a better idea of what it looks like outside, and easier way for him to weigh out his options, whether he wants it perfect or, just maybe. We could get it perfect. We could get 100% correction out of this, but it's all about what the client actually is looking for and for what he's paying and what percentage of the MAR we can get out. Look at it in the sun. You see it's bad. So this is what it's looking like in the sun, untouched. This is the side that we've cut. You see right here by this door, there's a little accumulation of scratches. But I'm way down here. It's also something you can only see while you're on the ground. This is what I want y'all to understand about automatic washes. This is all from an automatic wash. Just time and time again. It's serious neglect. And down here you can even see it real bad. That deep. Any automatic car wash that says it's scratch free or doesn't have a bunch of abrasives, it's all nonsense. The only way you're going to avoid this is through proper hand washes, proper maintenance. And now, this client's going to have to spend a lot of money to get this all out and get it back. This is, like I said, this is our cut. You see it looks a lot better. It's still hazy, it's just a cut. And this is where we started off at. It's not perfect, but it definitely is going to make the client happy. Show you another spot here. This has been cut as well. The hood hasn't been touched. See if I can get a sun shot of it here. Yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness. Accumulation of water spots as well as these heavy swirls. It's no good. But we're gonna bring it back. Working on this Duramax Denali. High country. Doing an enhancement detail on this one, meaning full exterior detail, hand wash, detail the wheels, wheel wells. Doing the wheels and wheel wells now. Already went around and pressure washed out all the mud and stuff out of these carpet wheel wells, and then just sprayed some solution, basically degreaser in there, kind of shampoo it out again when I rinse everything out. Now I'm cleaning the chrome wheels. Chrome wheels are in pretty good shape. They're not too water spotted or anything. Just getting them cleaned up, and then I'm gonna move on to the hand wash. I'll foam it up, pressure wash it out, get all the heavy dirt off, and then I'll go in and hand wash it. And before I dry it, I'll pull it in. Gonna be doing a clay bar on this one. Just a light clay bar. Get there's a little bit of tar and stuff on the side, nothing too bad. Once that's done, I'll dry it all off, get it cleaned up again, apply a sealant to the exterior, clean the windows, everything like that. And then inside I'll be doing a full vacuum wipe down, just thorough detail of everything interior. And then I'll be shampooing the leather. He has mats in there, so I want to shampoo any carpet. So instead, what I'll do is lay down a carpet coating to keep it clean. And and then shampoo and condition all this leather. That'll be it. Be on the road. A long way away from finishing, but try to make it quick.
Like innocence and mystery, I start to know. Surrounded by